Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus RX key battery. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a fresh CR2032 lithium coin battery, which is a common type and widely available at most electronics or hardware stores. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated plastic prying tool ready to assist with opening the fob. Before you begin, ensure your hands are completely dry to protect the internal electronic components from any moisture. Now, let's proceed to safely open the key fob. Locate the small release button, usually found on the side of your key fob, and press it firmly. This action will allow you to slide out the physical emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you will notice a small, narrow slot. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. Then, gently twist the screwdriver to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob now open, you will clearly see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its retaining clips. Now, take your brand new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was positioned. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob and confirm its functionality. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing, ensuring all edges match perfectly. Then, press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the physical emergency key blade back into its designated slot. Once fully reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. Your key fob should now be fully operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.